The biggest reason we need this is because when people have their heads elevated, eventually they slide down in the bed. And if someone's in the home and they don't have an assist, we want the caregiver to be able to use the trapeze efficiently and safely so that they can move you back up in the bed without them hurting themselves. So this is my patient, and she has slid down into the bed, and we want to try to get her back up here. So the first thing we're going to do is take away your pillow. There we go. And then we're just going to set that there. And then I'm going to lower your head so that you're kind of flat. And then the next thing I'm going to have you do is bend your knees. Very good. And plant your feet really firmly on the bed. Now, reach up here with your hands. Ooh, hang on one second, that's a little too high. This chain, there's a hook right here on the chain that allows us to extend the chain to make it a little bit lower, or you can just hook it on a different link here, and that makes it go higher. The other thing that is important is to know that this piece is movable so that we can bring the trapeze back and forth. So if she were really low in the bed, we could bring this all the way out here. This is not too bad, because basically we want her head right underneath this mechanism right here. We want a little bend in the elbow because that is the best way to get the full arm strength to move yourself up. So what you're going to do now is push with your feet and pull with your arms and lift up your bottom and bring yourself up this way. Perfect, holy cow. And now what I'm gonna do, you can let go, is I'm gonna get this out of her way so that we don't hit her in the head with the triangle. And if you lift your head up, we'll just put you back there. And then the last thing is, bring your head back up into a position of comfort. And we can even get the triangle completely out of the way.